Hello and welcome to our simple self-assessment guide. If you are newly self-employed or have yet to send off your first self-assessment, this guide is for you. What is self-assessment? Self-assessment was put in place to help HMRC calculate how much income tax you owe. Millions of people in the UK need to complete a self-assessment. This includes people that are self-employed, in a partnership, or employed with earnings of over £100,000. To put it in simpler terms, any form of income you have. And this can include things such as renting out your own property and state pensions. Who needs to complete a self-assessment? Anyone who has untaxed income that needs to be declared must submit a self-assessment, including sole traders, such as freelancers or individuals who run a business that isn't a limited company, partners in a partnership. If you operate your business with a partner, both individuals must submit their own self-assessment, as well as a return for the partnership itself. Directors of a limited company. If you are a director of a limited company, you are seen as separate from the business. So as well as submitting a company tax return, you need to complete a self-assessment tax return. Self-assessments aren't just for the self-employed. They also apply to both employed and retired people with an annual income of more than £100,000 and anyone who has an investment income of £10,000. This can be tricky to get to grips with, so check our other guides or call us on 020 3355 4047 and one of our accountancy advisors will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and if there's anything you are unsure about, then click the link on the screen and get in touch.